So, wasn't you telling me a story about lining a bunch of guys up in a row or something like that?
Um, yeah. I was saying that my friends took me to a Mexican trailer park one time, and there was like a whole trailer full of them. Oh, no. I was saying we should line them up, but I was saying, okay, these little young D-boys that were in Swannanoa and Black Mountain, I knew them all, so, like, sometimes I would go get them, like, packages, and then I would get some of their packages back in return for, like, a blowjob, and, like, they were all friends and shit, and so they would just, like, line up. There's, like, 5 of them, I guess, and I would just, like, suck them off and get my rocks.
When you say line up, you mean they would all be standing there like with their dicks out at the same time?
Yeah.
And they would just sit there and watch and take turns?
Well, I mean, I didn't pay attention if they were watching each other, but yeah. It was just like, how many sucks does it take to get all my rocks?
Now, what was she saying about the trailer park?
Oh, there was like this trailer park I went to, and there was like this one trailer with all these Mexicans in it, and most of them were like cheap, little quick dates, but one of them would pay like $60, which is pretty good for a Mexican considering they only take like 2 minutes.
Mexicans only take 2 minutes?
I mean, I'm not saying
is that different from like black guys or white
Mexicans, because the biggest penis in the world supposedly belongs to a Mexican. But also, I think the smallest penis in the world also belongs to the Mexican. So they are a race of mini-sized penises.
But you basically consider them small.
Yeah, I've only ran into small ones.
I mean, how small are you talking?
I've only backed into small ones, I mean.
You back into them?
Back it up.
Back it up and dump it?
Yeah, like,
I mean,
when they try to hit it from the back, sometimes it's so funny that they can't even pull out. It's like they're barely even moving away from me, you know? Like, I don't know how.
So when you say small, I mean, you talking about like 5 inches, 4.
Isn't your finger supposed to be like 1 inch? Or
Nah, that's a few inches, man. That's at least 2 or 3 inches.
I guess.
As long as your finger, longer, shorter?
I guess about as long as your finger, which is pretty small for a penis.
Damn.
But that white guy I told you about, didn't I tell you about the smallest penis I've ever seen? And he could really fit into one of those finger condoms.
Yeah, I haven't even seen those yet. Since you gotta stay safe when you're fingering a girl, right? What the fuck is a finger condom?
I think you put it on your finger. It's like there if you cut yourself to keep the water out. But yeah, shit, some of these girls I'd fucking wrap up my fingers around.
Damn, wrap your fingers up. That's crazy.
You gotta keep them safe.